Hey guys, How To here. Today I'm going to show you some breaking news that has come up today for my channel. And first of all, I'm making a How To podcast, which is going to be distributed on these things. So basically, wherever you get your podcast, you search up How To and should come up. There's going to be great episodes planned by some special people, and they're going to there might be new games on Roblox, Minecraft updates. That's the gaming side. And also there's going to be stuff like little how to make a paper airplane, or new videos updates, or here's my website, check it out, or whatever. So check that out. I'll keep you updated. Visit my website, which will be in the description, for more details on that. And yeah, so there's one breaking news. And the second breaking news is there is a new How To Gaming playlist, as you can see here, which it's the one I'm on. Let me take it off. How To Gaming. There's no videos in it yet, because tonight my brother has kindly stepped up to play some Row Wizard from Roblox. Don't know if you play. Comment below if you do. Anyway, I think that's all the news for today. Check out my website in the description. Click the Discord in the description as well. I think if you just click it, you automatically sign up or something. I'll check it out. But anyway, thank you for listening to my breaking news. If you want to see the last video, click over here where my mouse should be. And if you want to subscribe to How To, click over here. So this is Wilbur, over and out.